In this video, we'll compare Salesforce CRM and Zoho CRM to help you decide which one is the better choice for your business in 2026. Let's start with ease of use. Zoho CRM is generally easier to learn and is a great option for small businesses and startups. Salesforce has a steeper learning curve, but it offers far more advanced features and customization. When it comes to features, both platforms include contact management, lead tracking, sales automation, reporting, and workflow tools. However, Salesforce stands out with its enterprise-grade automation, AI capabilities, and extensive customization options. For pricing, Zoho CRM is the more budget-friendly option and even offers a free plan for small teams. Salesforce doesn't have a permanent free version, but it does offer a free trial before you choose a paid plan. If you're a small business looking for an affordable and easy-to-use CRM, Zoho CRM is a solid choice. But if you need advanced automation, powerful reporting, and a platform that can scale with your business, Salesforce is the better long-term investment. Ultimately, the right CRM depends on your budget, business size, and feature requirements. And that's our comparison of Salesforce CRM versus Zoho CRM in 2026.